Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about some practice examples on conditional statements. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about conditional statements and the operators. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python language. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Even though the example is very simple, this will help you a lot in improving your coding skills, and it will help you a lot in doing the complex programs which we discuss in our next classes, coming classes. Let's take the example. Our suggestion is take the example, do it on your own, then check for the solution. The example here is, it is taken from the website HackerRank, and the example is, it's very simple. It's given like this: given an integer, input is given as an integer, and we have to perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, print weird. We have to display it as a weird if n is odd. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, if n is in the range of 2 to 5, we have to display not weird. If n is even and in the range of 6 to 20, we have to print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. This is what the conditions we have to apply. If this happens, what we have to do? If this is not happened, what we have to do? We have to check for another condition. If this condition is not satisfied, another condition, so on. That is what we are doing. So we use nested if conditions here, and the input format is a single line containing a positive integer. There are some constraints. N should be in the value between 1 and 100. So our integer input value will be value between the 1 and 100. Output should be, we have to display it whether it is weird or not weird. Coming to the program. So this is what our program is. N is equal to int input of, by default input will take in the string format. We have to convert that into integer format. That's why we are doing type conversion. And if n mod 2 is equal to 1, that's the logic. If you want to identify whether it is even number or odd number, if the number modulus 2 it is given as 1 means it is odd number. If it is 0 means it is even number. That's the logic we are using here. Print weird elif if this condition is not satisfied, then check for the second condition. N greater than or equal to means if it is not odd number means it is even number. Even number if n greater than or equal to 2 and n less than or equal to 5. If the n is in the range of between 2 and 5, we have to display as not weird. If it is in between 6 to 20, we have to display it as weird. Else above 20, we have to display it as not weird. This is the logic we apply. We will use the nested if conditions to solve this problem. Hope you understand the concept. We have given an input as 18 here, and the output which shown here as a weird. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.